Hello friends, so today in this video we will progress through algebra. We have already completed fundamental concept of algebra, then operations of algebra. In this video particularly we will go for linear equation, which is a part of algebra. And linear equation we will cover different kinds of solutions also, and in this video specially we will focus on linear equation only and linear equation in one variable. So what is that? Let us see without wasting the time. Let us start. First we will see what is an equation. Equation, this word, students, has come from the word equal. Equation means if two expressions which are algebraic expressions, they are equal. Suppose I am writing a small example here, x is equal to 5 plus 2x, or I can write 6x minus 3 is equal to 9, like this. See, this one is equal to this one, right? So if this is LHS, this is the is equal to mark, here this is the is equal to mark, and to the left of the is equal to mark one expression is there, and to the right of the is equal to mark another expression is there. Here also same thing, to the left of the is equal to mark one expression, and to the right of the is equal to mark another expression. So these two expressions are equal, so this can be called as equation. Here also same thing, this expression in the left hand side and expression in the right hand side, they are equal. So this expression as a whole can be called as equation, or it's a equality, algebraic equality. So what is equation then? If two expressions are equal, then that is called as equation. Two expressions are equal, then they are called equation. Now we will go for what kind of equation or type of equation are there. Dear students, let us see. There are some equations. I will write different type of equation here. There are some equations like this: x plus 2 is equal to 5. Another, 3x minus 1 is equal to 7. Two types of different equations I have taken. Another, I will take x square minus 2 is equal to 1. Another, 3x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. See, in this part of the equation, I am drawing a line here. These two equations, you can see the variable or the letters, unknown letter or unknown variable is x, and here also x. Now here also x, but what can we see here? This x is having power 1. This x, which is a variable, is having power 1. But here the variable x is having power 2. Here also the variable x is having power 2. Here also x is there, but the highest power, that is called degree of the expression, degree of the polynomial, is 2 here. So this is one type of equation and this is one type of equation. I told in the polynomial part, if we classify the polynomial in terms of degrees, if a polynomial has degree 1, that is called a linear polynomial. If a expression or equation which has degree 1, you see highest degree is 1, and here also highest degree is 1. If a polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial, so an equation with highest degree 1 is called a linear equation. Similarly here, in case of this one, if degree is 2, that was called, in polynomial it is quadratic polynomial. So in equation it will be quadratic equation. So this kind of two equations are there. This is linear equation. Linear equation, and this is quadratic equation. And here, if the equation is a linear equation and degree is 1, here you see how many variables are there? Only x is the variable, right? If only x is the variable, that is called linear equation in one variable. This is linear equation and only one type of variable, that is x. You have to find the value of x to solve this equation. I will tell the solution part. So this is linear equation in one variable. This is one type. Sometimes we may have this kind of example. You see, suppose x, this is 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0, or 5x minus 3y is equal to 6. This is, you see, the variable x, this is variable y, and their power is 1. So linear. But how many variables are there? X is one variable and y is another type of variable. Here also the power of the variable x is 1. Here power of variable y is also 1. But this is again linear equation, but you see two variable. So we can call them as, this one is known as linear equation in one variable. These are linear equation in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. Okay, so first equation is divided into two types. Mainly many types of equation are there. We will discuss linear equation and quadratic equation. Quadratic equation in other parts we will discuss. Now in linear equation, what we are reading, in linear equation again, linear equation in one variable is there, which is today's discussion, one variable, and another type of linear equation is there which is having two variable, linear equation in two variables. So let us focus on linear equation in one variable, especially today. So linear equation in one variable, how is that and what is the solution looks like, we will see. Now let me take a very simple example. 3x minus 2 is equal to, suppose, 8. 3x minus 2 is equal to 8. This is variable is x and power of the variable x is 1. Now if power of the variable 1, then it is linear expression. So equality is there. So it is linear equation in one variable. And here suppose you are told to find the value of x. So value of x, or if other variable might have been given also, suppose another equation might have been given, 3a plus 9 is equal to 17 also. What is the variable here? Here the variable or value of a. That means whenever in an equation you are finding the value of x, value of a, value of m, etc., that means value of the variables which is given in the equation. So that value of the variable is known as solution of the equation. The value of the variable is known as solution of the equation. So I am writing here, value of the given variable is known as the solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. But how to solve? Let us see. So up to this you must have understood. So let us go for solutions. Again, solutions means understood the value of the variable which we find, that is called the solution of the equation. Now let us start from very simple example. X minus 5 is equal to 6. This is example 1. I will go from very simple to bit difficult one, so that you will be clear of the solution how to do that. Okay, very fine. Now again I will solve. Up to this what we read, first what is equation. If two algebraic expressions are expressed in terms of equations or equality or equal to mark is there, that is called equation. And equation, what we will discuss mainly, linear equation if degree of the expression is 1, and quadratic equation if the degree of if the variable is 2. So in this question I will solve the value of x, or I will find the solution in two ways, and then I will tell which is the convenient way of doing, and you also feel which is convenient and you continue with that. So let us first do like this. This is the, I will do it in two ways. That's why I have separated like this. Same question in two different ways I will do. So let me do, whenever you are writing the question, x is equal to, x minus 5 is equal to 6. So our intention is, or our aim is to find the value of x. When we are finding the value of x, you see in the LHS with x, which other number is there? 5 is there and minus 5 is there, right? So minus 5 is with x. If any way that minus 5 can be eliminated, or suppose you think minus 5 will not be there, so you can find the value of x. So to eliminate minus 5, what we will do, this is an algebraic expression which is equal in both the sides. We want to eliminate minus 5. If we want to eliminate minus 5 means what we are doing, we are reducing the LHS value is x minus 5, or 5 is subtracted from x, right? So that value we have to eliminate means here in RHS also we need to do the same thing. We have to eliminate minus 5 from RHS, because only that way the value of that is of the equivalent equation will be unchanged. So what I'll do, x minus 5 is there. How minus 5 can be eliminated? If I add plus 5, then plus 5 and minus 5 can be 0, is equal to 6. Now our original equation is x minus 5 is 6. It was not given like this. X minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 6 I did. That means what I did extra here, I added plus 5 to cancel minus 5 in LHS. So what I have to do, same thing I have to do in RHS also. I have to add plus 5, or I have to add 5 in the RHS also, so that the whole value of the equation will not be changed. This is in this way I am telling a small story. Suppose you two friends are there. So one friend is having, suppose 10 rupees. You have also 10 rupees. So what I'll do, I will give you 5 rupees, means your total amount of money will be more, that is 15, but your friend has 10 rupees. But in the beginning you both have 10 rupees, isn't it? I have given you 5 rupees, that means I have to give him also 5 rupees, so that you will have 15 rupees and he will have also 15 rupees, which has equal money. So to continue the equality, we are adding the same number in LHS. So adding the same number in RHS. If we subtract same number from LHS, we have to subtract same number from RHS also. If we multiply a number in LHS, same number we have to multiply in RHS also. If we divide a number in the LHS, we have to divide same number in the RHS also. Okay students, understood? That's what we will do. So what we will do here, this is extra one, plus 5. So I will do plus 5 here. You can write in the bracket also, 5 is added both the sides. Done. Now second step, this is the first step. Now if 5 is added both the sides, now you find the result of this one. Minus 5 plus 5 can be cancelled. So x is equal to, so here only x remains, which is your aim was to find the value of x, and 6 plus 5 will be 11. So the value of x is easily found here. So what did we do here? We balanced both the sides by eliminating whatever the number is there with x. So we have made the x free from all the numbers, so that only x will be in the LHS, and we found the value in the RHS. Got it? Very easy. Then we will go to this one. Now implies that here I will not do such. I will apply a different method. I need only x, isn't it? So this is minus 5 is here. If I will take this minus 5 to that side, you just think what will be here, only x will be there or not, dear students, is equal to, if minus 5 will be taken to that side, it will be plus 5, isn't it? Because the side or the LHS number has to be taken to the RHS number. If it is subtracted here, that side it will be added. If some number will be added here, if you take to that side, if you change the side, not only RHS I am telling, if you change the side from LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS, if you changing the side, changing side is called, I will tell you. So the minus 5 is gone to this side, so 6 plus 5 implies that x is equal to 11. You see, you match the answer. These two answers are matching, isn't it? So x value we have got 11. So this is one method, this is one method. Whichever is convenient you do. But this type of method is known as, what I did here, I have taken the number to the other side. I have transferred the number to the other side. So transferring word has been changed to a technical word of algebra, that is called transposition or transposing method, or method of transposing. This is called trans, means transfer, transport, translation, when changing from one place to another, changing from one form to another, changing from one sentence to another, etc. That is trans word is been given, and pose means position, right? Transposition or method of transposition, or transpose you can say, transpose. Because you are changing the position from left side to right side or right side to left side according to the need, isn't it? So which is easy you will do, you will realize which is easy. But in my case, I like this method, because this method sometimes may be lengthy, because you have to add the same number, subtract the same number, you have to multiply the same number, divide the same number. Rather here, simply you took minus 5. The meaning is same actually. The meaning is same. But this is bit easier and quicker. You save your time by this transposing method or method of transposition or transposing. So let us do some more example. I will apply transposition method in everywhere henceforth. So let us start another example, that is 3x plus 8 is equal to 14. This one I will do in two methods. This one I will do. Let us see. So first I will go for the balancing method both the sides, because I will show you which is convenient way. You will feel that. For your feeling I am doing this. So this implies that here in this balancing method, what we need to do? We need to free x. So to free x, this is 3x is there. First we have to keep only 3x. So this 8 we have to eliminate. What is there? Plus 8 is there. To eliminate 8, you need minus 8. You have 8 rupees. So what I will do to take away that 8 rupees? I will take away 8 from you. That means 8 is there, means plus 8. If I do minus 8, then you have 0 rupees, isn't it? Just like that. So 3x plus 8 minus 8 I did here. And 14, if I did minus 8 in LHS, same thing I will have to do in RHS. That is minus 8 in RHS. So what I will do, right? So 8 is subtracted both the sides. Both the sides. This implies that now 8 minus 8 will be 0. So 3x plus 0 we don't write is equal to 14 minus 8 is 6. Now again, our intention is, final intention is to find the value of x. So here which is there with x? Which is troubling us to find the value of x? 3, right? 3 is what here with x? 3 is added? No. Subtracted? No. Multiplied? Maybe. Divided? Not at all, because division mark is not there. So multiplied. Confirm? So 3 into x. This is 3 into x, right? If a number is multiplied here, how to eliminate that? If you divide, see, if a number is added, how to eliminate? You subtract the same number, it will be eliminated. If a number is multiplied, you divide the number, same number, it will be eliminated. How? Let us see. So 3x divided by 3 is equal to, if you divide LHS with 3, you have to divide RHS with 3 also. 3 cancel, this 3 2 ja. So this implies that x is equal to 2, you got the answer. So this is the balancing method. Now I will do in transposition method. The method of transposition. I am erasing this one. I will do here, and now you will fill which method is easy. 3x plus 8 is equal to 14 implies that I have to keep this. More preferably, you should write the variable which you want to find the value. That one, if you keep in the left side, that will be better. But there is no such strict rule that you will keep this in LHS or you will keep this in RHS. There are no such rules is there, but only you can keep it in LHS for your convenience. So 3x is equal to 14 minus 8. Because plus 8, if you go to that side, your side change will be there, then plus will be minus. So 3x is equal to 14 minus 8 is 6. You see, can you see this result? So x you have to find, and 3 is multiplied here. Again, a plus value, if it changes side, that will be minus. If minus value changes the side, that will be plus. If multiplication goes to that side, a number is multiplied in LHS, if it goes to that side, it will be divided, isn't it? So 6 divided by 3. So 3 and 2. This is the result. Can you see the same result? So x is equal to 2. The value is same. Which method is easy? Convenient, you do. But I feel again, this method, in this there's a small questions, I mean very simple questions, so very easy to solve in both methods, not an issue. But when we are going to bit lengthier problems, so this will be more lengthy actually. So I prefer, or I will advise you, but not restricted, you will do in this method. That will be convenient and time saving. Let us go to some other questions. So hope you are enjoying, dear students, keeping a note, and please do practice from different books so that you will be perfect, because practice makes everybody perfect. So now another question I will do. This is 5x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 4. Here I have not taken simple questions, I mean simple examples. I have flat examples I have not taken, but fractions I have taken. But same, we have to find the value of x. Our intention implies that again the x term I will keep in LHS. I will take the other term or the number wala term to other side. 5x is equal to this minus half will go to that side. 3 by 4 is already there. If minus half will go to that side, it will be plus half or 1 by 2. Implies that first let me solve this. 5x is equal to 4 and 2. Now normal addition, fractional addition we will do. So 4 and 2 LCM is 4. 4 by 4 LCM divided by the denominator. 4 by 4 is 1. That will be multiplied with the numerator. 4 by 4 is 1. 1 3 ja 3 plus 4 by 2 is LCM divided by denominator. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 1 ja 2. Now this implies that 5x is equal to 3 plus 2 is how much? 5 by 4. Done. Implies that. Now what I'll do? I have to find the value of x only. So 5x. Just in the previous question 3x was there, so that was 3 into x. So 5x means 5 into x. So 5 is multiplied with x in the LHS. So we need the value of x only. So 5 is disturbing, so let us take 5 to that side. If we want to multiplied 5, we take to that side. The multiplied 5 will be divided by that side if you change the side. So let us do that. So x is remaining here, 5 is taken to that side. Already 5 by 4 is there. Now if 5 from the numerator, this is numerator, right? Because denominator is 1 here. If 5 from the numerator is taken to that side, it will be in the denominator. That is into 1 by 5 you can write, or you can write like this. Divided by 5 also you can write, or you can write like this. 5 was there, 4 was there, 5 by 4 is there already. This 5 is going. You can write like this also. Anyway is convenient, you can write. So 5 cancel. So value of x will be 1 by 4. So write the answer, x is equal to 1 by 4. Got it? So like this you can do. This is transposition method or method of transposition I have done here. So another question we'll do here. Now let me write the question. 8x minus 3 is equal to 5x plus 9. Now what's the difference in this question? What's the difference, dear students? The difference is, in the previous questions we have variables or unknown x in LHS only. Now we have variables in LHS and RHS also. How to do that? Again, if this kind of conditions occur, I have told you one thing just few minutes, first half of the video. The variables, preferably there is no restriction of rules and anything, that you will keep the variable in the right side or in the left side, but it is better if you keep in the left side. So what I will do, I will bring the variables. 8x is in the left side, no issues, correct, done. 5x is in the RHS, right side. What I will do, I will bring 5x to the LHS, right? 8x is already there. This 5x, it is positive or negative? It is positive. Why? Because before it no symbol is there. You bring it to the LHS. So 8x is there. If 5x will be brought to the LHS, then it will be minus 5x. And minus 3 is already there, is equal to plus 9 is there. This implies that 8x minus 5x, you solve, that is 3x. And this minus 3, what you will do, let us write this step, because you can write this step directly also, no issues, if you are perfect ones. Now again your intention is to write the value of x, so find the value of x. So you keep the x term in the LHS and take away the numbers or other terms to the RHS. So minus 3 will go to the RHS, it will be 9 plus 3, implies that, so this is 3x is equal to 9 plus 3 is 12, implies that again we need to find the value of x. So 3 is disturbing here, I will take 3 to that side. So 3x means what? 3 into x, right? 3 is multiplied. So if I take to that side, it will be divided, isn't it? So x is equal to 12 divided by 3. So 3, this is 4. The value is x is equal to 4. Final answer. Isn't it easy? Right? Now, so next question we will do, that is 2 whole into x minus 5 plus 3 whole into x minus 2 is equal to 8 plus 7 whole into x minus 4. Here you see what is the difference from the previous questions. So there directly 3x, 5x or something like that has been given, and here you see it is 2 whole into x minus 5, 3 whole into x minus 2, here 7 whole into x minus 4. That means what? If this bracket works, you have to simplify first, solve first, then you will go for the solution of the equation. So let us start and do. Implies that first bracket part we will solve. So 2 whole into x minus 5 means 2 into x, 2 into 5. So 2 into x is 2x, minus mark is there given, 2 into 5 is 10, plus mark is given. So 3 into x will be 3x, minus, that is 3x and 2 will be multiplied, right? So minus mark is there given, 3 2 ja 6 is equal to 8 is written, no change because 8 has no other operations. So 7 into x, 7x, minus mark given, 7 into 4 is 28. So simplification work is done now. Now what you will do, this part, LHS part you simplify, RHS part you simplify to the like terms if they are. Like terms is 2x is there and 3x is there. So they are like term. Now bring them together. 2x plus 3x minus 10 minus 6 is equal to, again RHS, 8 and minus 28. And this is plus 7x. No other x terms are there, so it will be like that. Now you solve this. 2x plus 3x will be 5x minus 10 minus 6 means minus 16, right? Is equal to, and here 8 minus 20, 28 minus 8 is 20, but 8 minus 20 will be minus 28, minus 20 plus 7x. Now again we will go back to the previous question type. That means this is the is equal to mark. In LHS one variable part is there, in RHS also one variable part is there. So what we will do, we will bring the variable parts to LHS. That will be convenient, or one side, right? So 5x is already there, let us bring 7x, plus 7x is there. If we come to this side, it will be minus 7x is equal to, again minus 16 will go to that side, that is minus 20 is already there, minus 16 if goes, then it will be plus 16. Transposition I am doing. This implies that, see here dear students, from this step you can directly come to this step actually. This step 2x plus 3x 5x and minus 10 minus 6 is minus 16. Here also 8 minus 28 is minus 20 and plus 7 is directly you can write this. So you can save your time. Then 5x minus 7x, again 5x is smaller number, 7x is the bigger number, and you are subtracting, you will get a minus result or negative result. So 7 minus 5 is 2x is equal to, again minus 20 plus 16. So 16 minus 20 will be minus 4. So this is minus 4, implies that you need to find the value of x again. So keep x this side, minus 4 is already there. So minus 2 is multiplied here, right? Minus 2x. So don't think that 2 is minus or 2 is subtracted here. Minus 2x means minus 2 into x. So minus 2 is multiplied with x. So if it will come to this side, it will be divided. Then minus and minus cancel, or if minus is divided with minus, answer will be positive. So 2, 2 ja 4. This implies that our final answer is x is equal to 2. This can be solved like this. Okay, I think you have understood. First bracket work completed, then simplification value, simplified value of LHS, simplified value of RHS. How I simplified? Like terms added or subtracted, whatever is there, numbers added or subtracted. Like term only 7x, numbers 8 minus 28, then the variables brought to one side, that is plus 7x brought to LHS, then this is minus 2x, then answer is done. So this way. Another example I will take now. Now a different kind of example I will take here for you only. So it is x whole into x plus 5 is equal to x square plus x plus 32. This is the number. How it can be solved? Let us see. So x into x, again simplify the LHS, simplify the RHS if you can. So it can be simplified. Bracket work should be done first. So x into x and x into 5 will be there. X into x is how many x are multiplied? 2x are multiplied. So it is x square plus x into 5 is 5x is equal to, here x square is there, x is there and 32 is there. It is written as such, no change. Implies that. Now what I will do, I will bring all the variables to the LHS and all the numbers to the RHS so that it will be convenient. So now x square is one variable there, another x square is in the RHS. So brought it minus x square because it is plus x square. If I bring it, it is minus x square. And 5x is already a variable here in LHS, x is the variable in the RHS. So bring that. So plus x, if you brought, it will be minus x is equal to, no other constant numbers or variables are there. So left hand side work is over. Now I move to right hand side. X square already brought, x already brought, 32 is already there. So write it simply. Implies that. Now x square minus x square is 0. 5x minus x is 4x is equal to 32. Implies that x and 4 multiplied. Find x. 32. If 4 is multiplied in LHS, bring it, divided, 8. Answer. So this is the answer. The equation was looking bit different, not difficult, different because x square was there. Here in the second step also x square comes. So don't be afraid. The x square might be cut or might be reduced, and finally you will get the value of x and the solution is there. So now we will move to next question. So next question is a bit different kind. It will be fraction type. X minus 1 by 5 minus 2x minus 3 divided by 5. This is 3. X minus 1 divided by 3 I will do is equal to 1. Now let us solve this. Again, same type of solution we will do here. You see, if fractions are there, denominators are there. If denominators are there, then find the LCM of the denominator and solve that. And again you will find the normal flat equation and you can solve. So because if you till you will not get the flat equation, solving is a bit difficult. So now again what I will do, 3 and 5 LCM is 15 because 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers. So 3 5 is 15. LCM done. After LCM, same method as you did in fractions. 15 by 3 LCM by denominator 5 into x minus 1. Minus mark if given. If plus mark would have been there, you would have given plus mark. Then 15 by 5, LCM by denominator is 3, then 3 into 2x minus 3, this is 1. Implies that. Now again solve. I told wherever bracket is there, you go on solving. 5 into x, 5x, minus mark is given. 5 into 1, 5, then minus 3 into 2. This is minus and this is plus. Where plus mark is there, no worry actually. Wherever minus mark is there, bit careful. Because for symbols you will multiply. Minus plus minus, 3 2 ja 6 and x. Then again minus minus plus, this is minus, minus minus plus, 3 3 ja 9, done. And this is 15 is in the denominator, this 15 will be taken to the that side, because if this will be taken to that side, it will be flat equation and which is easy to solve. You may ask, or a doubt might occur in students, that this is 3 in the denominator, this is 5 in the denominator, why can't we take 3 and 5 to that side? Why cannot we take? That the reason is, this 3, this is a fraction, this is separate fraction. If you can take a denominator to RHS, or a denominator, if it is in RHS, you can bring it to LHS only when that denominator is the denominator of whole LHS. Please do remember, if the denominator, like this 15, you see, this is the numerator as a whole, and this is the one denominator. Denominator of whole numerator, if it is there, that is fine, then only you can take the denominator. But if this kind separated, the denominators are separated by addition, plus, minus, etc., you don't take, please. Take the LCM. After taking the LCM, the one denominator you can get in the denominator, then you can take. Like this, I will take 15 to that side. 15 is divided here. If it go to right side, it will be multiplied. 15 1 ja 15. 15 1 ja 15. Implies that. Now again, 5x minus 6x minus x minus 5 plus 9, that is 9 minus 5, right? Minus 5 plus 9, 9 minus 5 is 4 is equal to 15. Implies that minus x is equal to 4 will be taken to that side, because I have to free my x. So 15 minus 4, this implies that minus x will be 15 minus 4 is 11. Implies that I have to find, I don't need to find minus x value, I have to find x value. So minus is being multiplied here, because minus x means minus 1 into x. Agreed, dear students? Minus 1 into x is minus x. So what I'll do, x I keep it in LHS, and minus 1 will be taken to that side and divided, because minus 1 is multiplied. So 11 minus 1 divided. So if minus 1 is divided by 11, the answer is minus 11. So value of x is minus 11. Finish. This one you will do like this. Understood? This is a different kind. Solve LHS, because only number is there. So no worry. Solve LHS. Single denominator. Then find the denominator. When after finding the denominator, when you find the single denominator, you take the denominator to RHS and multiply it there, and the equation becomes flat. And the solution is normal now, and you got this value. We will do another example. So our next question is ready, and this is a bit different kind again. You see, there in the previous question you just compare, in the LHS we have this kind of expression, that is x minus 1 by 3 minus 2x minus 3 divided by 5, it was there. So in LHS, now this fraction kind of, and this is a fraction kind of, but this one is number. But here, this is fraction, and this is also fraction. All the fractions are there, no simple numbers are there. So how to do that? Again, what we'll do, you have two ways here. Either you bring all the fractional algebraic expressions to LHS and keep RHS 0, or you can solve this here and you can keep it here, and then you can do the cross multiplication works. Whichever is feasible you do. What I will do here, I will solve this one and solve this one, because why I am telling you, here in this question in RHS there are two expressions are there, or two terms are there which are fractional terms. So we wanted to solve RHS first, but in LHS is simple. In some questions we might have, as in RHS there are two terms, it might be three more terms also. In LHS also 2, 3 or more terms also. So If you bring all the numbers and solve in same side, then it might get complex actually. So to avoid that, solve RHS, solve LHS. After solving, then cross multiplication, we will get a flat equation, and flat equation we can solve easily, right? So let us go ahead with that. Implies that x minus 4 divided by 7, as such, nothing to solve here. I need to find a common denominator. So this is, or you can take another process also. Any one of that you can take to LHS and solve, then you can do the cross multiplication. That is another process here again. So 7 and 5 LCM will be 35. Now LCM divided by the denominator, 35 divided by 7 is 5. Now here 5 whole into x plus 3. Plus mark is there given. Again LCM divided by the denominator, 35 by 5, answer is 7. So 7 will be multiplied with numerator, this one. Now this needs to be solved. X minus 4 divided by 7, as such, nothing changed. Here the bracket works to be solved. 5 into x, 5 into 3, 5 into x is 5x, plus mark is there given. 5 into 3 is 15, plus mark is there given. 7 into x is 7x, dear students, and 7 into 4 is 28. So now the numerator is being solved, divided by 35 is there. Implies that now again I will write x minus 4 divided by 7, because I need to solve this. I mean the like terms are 5x and 7x, so I need to add this bit simplification work I am doing. 5x plus 7x is 12x, 15 plus 28, 15 plus 28, 28 plus 10 is how much? 38, 38 plus 5, 43, divided by 35. Now it is simplified, nothing more can be simplified here. Now what I will do, I will do the cross multiplication work. Here I will do 35, I will bring this side, and 7 I will take to that side. If you bring this whole fraction to this side and you do, that may create confusion, so you do like this, cross multiplication. You take the help of cross multiplication. 35 is divided in RHS. If it comes to LHS, it will be multiplied with the whole LHS, like this. 35 into x minus 4. Then 7 will go to that side, it will be multiplied with whole RHS. Remember, the number will be multiplied with whole 43. Implies that. Again, simplification work you will do. 35 into x is 35x, minus mark is there given. 35 into 4, 34 ja is 120, 5 4 ja is 20, so it is 140, right, is equal to, and 7 into 12x, 12 7 ja is 84, because 12 6 ja 72, and 12 7 ja 84, right. X plus 43 into 7, you do need to multiply something. Again 40 and 3, 47 ja is 280, and 3 7 ja is 21. 280 and 21 is how much? It is 301, isn't it? So or you can do simple multiplication also. 7 3 ja 21, 1 carrying 2, 7 4 ja 28, 28 plus 2 is 30, like this. Same answer I was telling, right? This implies that. Now again what you will do, this equation becomes a flat equation. Now what can you do? You bring all the x term to the LHS. 35x is already there, 84 will come, it will be minus 84x, and minus 140 will go to that side. 301 is there, minus 140. This implies that 35 minus 84, 84 minus 35 you do, and put the minus mark, because 84 is greater number and it is minus. So 84 minus 35. So 84 minus 35 will be this 4. So 1 will come. 14 minus 5, that is 9. Right? 14 minus 5 is 9, and 7 is there. This is 4. 49. So it is minus 49x is equal to, then here 301 minus 141. So this 13 divided 13 minus 14, 30 minus 14 is how much? It is 16, right? 161. So 161, and it will be positive because 301 is bigger number and 140 is a smaller number. This implies that again minus 49x is equal to 161. You need to find x. So minus 49 is multiplied with x. Please do remember. So x is equal to 161 by minus 49. So you can write like this, minus 161 by 49. This will be the final answer. Or any reduction work you can do the reduction, because different numbers may be given. This is the whole process. right? So what I have done here, I have simplified RHS, simplified LHS if required, here not required, so it continued like this. Then after simplifying the RHS, just the simplifying the numerators, then simplified RHS and simplified LHS, you do the cross multiplication this number as a whole. Because why did I take 35 and multiplied by that side? Because you see whole numerator divided by one denominator, that can be multiplied. And here x minus 4 divided by 7, that can be multiplied, because 7 is the whole denominator of this one, LHS, it can be cross multiplied that side, you see. Then simplified multiplication by distributive property, then again you got the flat equation, take the variable to one side, means x wala term, then subtraction is done, then the number is taken to that side, subtracted, division, x value. So this is how, this is the all different examples from simple to bit complex. We have done various examples, you might have understood very well, and if you have any doubt anywhere, you can chat in the comment box and let me know. We shall discuss later in some more videos. And in the next videos, the applications of linear equation is left, that is word sums we will do, and different kinds of word sums, which is very, very useful in daily life and in competitive exams also. In every exam that is very useful. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.